All right, creating a pivot table in Excel. Here we go. All right, so you should have a set of data that you want to get organized, and you want to organize that data. And let's say let's use a pivot table. Best way to do that is open up Excel, put your data in there if you don't have it in there already. Go to your tabs up here, click the Insert tab. Once you've clicked the Insert tab, there'll be a spot over here with a little icon for the pivot table. You select that. This window will pop up. Select the range. You can either highlight the range or you can select one of the cells within the range and then hit Control A. Once you've done that, you can move on. Now we're going to you have the option to put it in a new worksheet or an existing worksheet. We're going to put it in the existing worksheet. We're just going to choose a cell next to it because we don't have a ton of data. And we're going to hit OK after we've chose the cell. Now we have this icon here. Let's organize this. So up at the top you have your headers here that have the name of your data types. You can organize it by those names. We're going to go by the type and then we're going to go by the number. So you grab first we're going to start with grabbing the type, and we're going to drag this type right here, click and hold and drag down to rows and drop it right there. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click and drag the number. This one right here, you're going to click it and then drag it down to the values. Now we have a pivot table, a very basic pivot table, and that right there shows you how to make a basic pivot table. If you want to take it a step farther, you want to have a couple more categories in there. You can grab name and drag it down there and drop it. And then the next thing you can do, like if you want to take it a step farther than that, you can take colors and drag it down and drop it. So now we have a pivot table that shows us everything categorized in the order of the type, the name, and then the color. Let's say you want to do it in a different order. You want to know what, instead of having it categorized by the type of the name, you want to change it to the color. You just come down here and grab this and then put it, drag it up above name and then drop it. And now you have everything organized by color. Hope this helps you, and check back for more tips. Thanks.